Hi, it's Auntie Nora again from wellwhatnow.com. Today we're making crunchy chicken with baked potato, okay? I need one egg, okay? So I'm gonna scramble the egg already, okay? Because I need that. I'm going to wash my hands because I'm always particular washing my hands because you don't want to get sick, okay? I will scramble this egg. Put it in there. Can you see? I'm scrambling it, alright? Thank you. While I'm doing this one, I'm preheating my pan. Okay? So here's the thing. We need flour, salt and pepper. I already mixed it up over here. Okay? And the pan is heating up. And of course we need chicken. I'm only using one breast of chicken. Okay? We need salt and pepper in here and paprika. They're all in here in this flour. And for the correct measurement, you can just go to my website, wellwhatnow.com. Okay, so I'm going to put some oil. I think I need more than a cup, almost 2 cups of oil, because we're going to make sure it's really hot before we try this recipe. So now what I'm going to do is, to make it crunchy, because it's called crunchy chicken, I will put the first strip in a flour, dip it in this scrambled egg, put it back. Alright, now I'm gonna make sure that that's hot. I don't want to take chances. Okay, again, do the same thing. Roll this over this flour mixture, dip in the egg, okay, back in this flour thing. Alright, so that's how it's crunchy. Okay, alright, here, put that in there, back here, and once my pan is already nice and hot, oops, sorry, I will start putting them in the pan. Okay, I have to make sure that it's hot first though. Okay, there you go. So I've got, this is all just one breast of chicken. Okay, I think my pan is almost there, but I have this much. 2 people can eat this, okay, or 1, just like what I've been saying before. You got a large family, like family of 4, double up the ingredients. It'll take twice as long. It's still 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes, so that's nothing. Alright, so I got this in here. So I think my pan is already heated. So let me see. Okay, I think it's heated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the timer on now, 5 minutes. Alright. I want to make, oops, I'm going to get another forks, because, see, that's in. Okay. Make sure that it doesn't have too much flour. Okay, I still have this. And you know what I'm going to do after this? I am going to get a, oops, you can turn that over once you think it's golden brown. And you know what I found out too? You can dry this in a brown bag instead of paper towel. I just heard that from my daughter Megan. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, let's try to do that, and I think it'll work. All right. 4 minutes. Don't worry, I got it. I think we can turn it over now. Oops, right here. Got the slow one. Pour this. And there you go. Got it. I think I can turn it on one side, on the other side now. It's golden brown. I've got 3 minutes on the clock. Okay. The little thing, I just put that in there. It's done. Put this over here so you can see, okay? Again, I'm using brown bag instead of paper towel, so it remains crunchy, because that's the name of our dish today. It's crunchy chicken, and you can eat it with baked potato. I just happen to have a baked potato, and you can use blue cheese dressing, okay? Or you can use whatever dressing you want. Whoop! That would be my fire alarm. It just went off. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay. Well, my daughter's taking care of that. 2 minutes on the clock. I'm so sorry. That means this thing is so hot. Okay, 2 minutes on the clock. Okay. I don't think I need the whole thing. Can you take a picture of this? Yeah, I've got 59 seconds. Alright, let's put this over here. Okay, 1. Ouch. Let's see if it's going to remain crunchy. Oh my goodness. Sorry, this is live TV. Okay. I'm sorry about that. Well, it's done. Okay, don't forget to go on my website, okay? We've got viewers from all over the world now, and I'm so happy about that. I hope to get more viewers. And that's my 5 minutes clock. And, please make a comment, and that's it. Okay, here. I'm going to put this in the plate. All right, see? Oh my gosh. We're really... Oh, wait. One of them just dove in the... Here we go. Look at this. Crunchy chicken with baked potato and blue cheese dressing. Thank you so much. This is Auntie Nora again from wellwhatnow.com. Can you see it? Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.